Side by side, I've been there all night. Hello guys. Again, I've come in peace. Di talaga ako sa talking video, but I need to put you on this one. Kasi di pwedeng ako lang ang nabudol ni TikTok. Wisit na TikTok to. Lagi na lang, lahat na lang nadadaan, lahat na lang. So guys, me, personally, so, maputi ako, pero madami akong discoloration. Like, it has always been my problem. Grabe ang aking discoloration. Eh, kunyari, ayan, yung neck ko, hindi siya pantay, and also my tummy. Pwede ko mapakita kasi nakadress ako. Pero ayun, maputi talaga ako. Kaya naghahanap ako ng, like, parang donut cream effect. Ito na nga. Itong Grace and Glow Brightening Sun Body Serum. I think nakita nyo to sa ibang video ko. Na-upload ko na to before. Kasi, ginagamit talaga namin to. And meron siyang SPF 30 PA+++. And alpha arbutin and very basta yung ingredients eh. Anyways, kaya ako siya nagustuhan kasi it's not drying kahit na tone up siya. Usually kasi ng mga tone up creams guys is nakaka-dry talaga siya ng balat. And I'm gonna show you. Like, lagyan natin siya sa neck ko. Pwede pala siya sa neck. Kasi para siyang sunscreen. But for your body. Para medyo, pupatay naman yan. Para tuloy akong espasol kapag para akong espasol na ihahanda. Kasi hindi nagpapantay yung leeg ko, tsaka yung face ko lagi. But my body and my soul. My body and my face, ayan, match sila. Maputi sila pareho. Wala pa po akong nilalagay. Ayan. Ayan, may mga discoloration ako, as you can see. Sa which one? Left. Left side of my arm. Ayan. Super bango niya. It smells like the black opium. Yung YSL. Naamoy ko na siya personally. So, it really smells like this. And I love black opium. Like, naamoy ko siya before. So, super, look this. Oh. Look! I-compare natin siya side by side. Nakita niyo naman yung nilagay ko. Very ugly lang. And also, hindi siya nagpapatche-patche. Kasi usually nga, pag tone up cream, syempre maputi yun lagi guys. And, possible talaga magpatche-patche. Like that. For some reason, like, hindi ako nabigyan ng even skin tone. That's why I need this. And it's only $149. It's not. It's very affordable. Oh, super bango, grabe. Sorry. And as a person na naiirita sa texture ng lotion, di ba? Kasi heavy ng lotion. This one is really good. Kasi nga, parang siyang serum. So, very lightweight lang siya. And you don't feel, it doesn't feel sticky. Pero ayan, guys. I love this so much. Like, diba? Guys, I'm literally bright. Like, I'm shining. Guys, it's only 149 pesos. Grabe, 150? Ang kinis mo na. Ang bright mo na. Diba? Get it.